Okay, then we start to install the gas tuber and also the take-up release film. First, we open the tunnel. And also, if you whom using the machine, you need to connect this tuber, go with the first, connect from here first. Like this. Sorry, groove is not used. Like this. Go to the middle. Go to the bottom. Connect wire here. And so if you have degassing facility, just connect to the degassing facility or at home. And if you already bought this humidifier from Focus, you can connect to the way to this kind of waste gas with the air humidifier. You just connect to here. Like this. Connect like this. And then later we open this for using. So the waste air will go to the humidifier and it got the filter inside to make the air will not got pollution. Okay, now we start to load the film on the printer. So this is the 1/4 brand new film. We open the cover. Remove the protection film. So we can see this the film. The film have two sides, where one side is for print. So please do not make a mistake. So if we don't know which one is for print, we just use the finger scratch. So here have coating. The other side don't have coating. So this side is for print. The side with coating is for print. We put first we make this hole to backside to the move tube out. Then we put it inside. We go with the low like this. Then we push inside. Make the connect wire. the board side connect wire. Fasten it. And the wire must be at the middle of the flatbed. So after we adjust the position, the left side and right side must be same distance between the inside flatbed, but not this edge. But the inside flatbed must be equal at the left and the right. After we adjust the wire, then we lock this device. And then we pull up a little bit film. And then we go inside, go through the wire.到前面，好，暂停到前面。Before we load the film, go through the flatbed, we must open the pinch roller. Here is a lock. See here, we pull up the gray color. So the wires can be moved up. Then we move the film, go through. 大哥，你过来帮我拽一下，到前面来。拽。等一下，把螺丝刀给我。把螺丝刀给我。 来，拽过来吧。过来了吗？那把长螺丝刀呢？ 在这你要把它剪掉啊！拽。用手拽吗？手把它拽平吗？ 拽平了吗？暂停，暂停，暂停。 Okay, then we go the film. Make the film go through from here. We take out the cover. And then we go the film, go to the heating turner. And the shaking is at the bottom. 好了。 Then we open this and we go by this way. By this way. And then we install the take up device. We open the cover. And we put it inside. We loosen the screw at both sides. and we put it inside. Like this, to be sure it's fastened well. And then the tunnel must be at the middle, same gap between the front addition, and this way. They will lock it. We can adjust the position. Then we push the film like this way, and we use the tape. First time we use the tape or take up roller. Then we take up the film. That's this way. Extract. They will load up. As this first time. So this is a procedure to install the film and air degassing system. Then we put our backside in the middle. And then we make sure we should adjust the clips metal to prevent the edge of the film without bend, like this.